2, 3.
Today's video is cooking gyoza.
Is the liquid anymore? 1, 2, 3. The water inside.
Very oishi.
Hello everyone, I'm Keita. Today I'll show you how to make Japanese dumpling gyoza. Gyoza is very popular over the world. If you have a gyoza at restaurant, pretty expensive, but cooking at home is very cheap and very easy. I'll show you very simple and easiest way. Let's go shopping first. Good smell! I came back from supermarket. I ordered ingredients. You can get those ingredients from Supermarket Woolworth, but I use this one. Chinese chives is from my garden. If you don't have, doesn't matter. I'll show you ingredients. Shallot, wombok, Chinese chives from my garden, and pork mince, dumpling pastry, and flour, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, sake, ginger garlic, and white pepper, and this one is for dipping sauce, ponzu and chili oil. Let's get started! At first I put the pork mince in the bowl. It's 500 grams. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of sake, and white pepper, and next ginger and garlic, almost same amount with ginger, and then mix well. After mix well, I can't see the liquid anymore, and like sticky like this. After mix this mince, I put in the fridge in a few minutes. I cut in half in this wombok, and today I'm gonna use only quarter of wombok. Chopped finely like this. I put flour, not too much. If you cook gyoza without this flour, the water is coming out from this wombok. This flour absorbs the water of wombok. After 5 minutes, I got this one from fridge and cut this Chinese chives. It's called garlic chives. If you want to get this one, you should go the Asian market. You don't need chopped very finely. It's okay this size. Put with mince. And next, shallot, also same. Cut not so very fine. Like this size. Green onion and Chinese chives and mix together. After mix, add the wombok like this. I can smell sesame oil and ginger garlic and soy sauce. That's it. Okay, it's done to prep this meat, and next step is wrap by this gyoza pastry. So first prepare like this: water and plate. And first I put flour on the plate to avoid to stick this pastry on the dish. Like this. Pastry here, and I take one and put the water in the edge, and like this amount, and wrap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And make a shape. Done. Beautiful. Too many. This is 2 packs, maybe 60 pieces, but still the gyoza meat is left. So I put the wrap and put the freezer. You can use this one for soup, so easy to use. If you have this one in the freezer, it's very convenient to make a soup. It's very easy, like meatball soup. Last step is pan fry. Turn on the stove and high heat. Put the canola oil. Not too close, because after cooked it sticks with 2 dumplings. So it's like this, and then put the water. And steam it, and about 3-4 minutes waiting. After 3-4 minutes, and open, and there is still the water inside, but after 1 minute maybe this water is evaporate. Very easy to burn, so after like this one you should keep an eye on. Can you hear this sound? This is already good sign for the already evaporated the water. And after this you can hear this sound, and put the sesame oil like the edge of pan, not on the gyoza. Check like this, pretty good. And after this, turn off the stove and put the lid on the pan, and then 1, 2, 3. How's this one? Perfect looking. It's golden color. And I make dipping sauce very easy, just ponzu. Yeah, this is chili oil, Chinese brand. Okay, chili oil. I love this one. That's it. I try this one. いただきます。いただきます。 very oishi. Tastes so nice. Outside it's crispy and inside it's juicy. Very good. Choose new. My favorite one. いただきます。Gyoza and beer is good much. Love each other and always set.
each other.
Hi, today's video how to make gyoza. You can make gyoza at home with your family or use a friend. Thank you for watching today and see you in other video. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. ありがとう。